Hello and welcome to another one of our product review videos. So we're in the process of doing the bathroom up, which you might be able to sort of work that out, but this is a product purchased from Screwfix. It's called the Blyss or Blyss, probably Blyss or something. It's a chrome towel radiator with those measurements. So it's 1.1 meters high, half a meter in width. It's curved, it's got a ladder format. These are the specs of it. And over to you.
Right, so it's curved shower. I don't know if I've got a tape measure.
Curved shower?
Curved radiator. You know what I'm on about, it's been a long day. Right, so it's curved, so just so you know, basically from the wall it comes out about 8.5 centimetres in the middle. Yeah? Comes with 4 fixing points. You need to drill into your tiles with a tile drill and raw plugs. Comes with the fixings if you want them, and the screws. We use our own screws because I'm not sure if their screws were stainless steel or not. There wasn't anything rusting in the bathroom, so we use some stainless steel screws. It comes with one cap there, and cap and air release cap. You need to bleed it, yeah? It does not come with valves, so you need to buy the valves separately. These range from about 14 quid to about 30 quid. The ones we've got are Drayton TRV4, and these were about £30 from Screwfix. So,
I must say, they do look nice, don't they? The Drayton TRVs. It looks real nice.
Right? And those just basically screw in the bottom with some PTF tape and perhaps a bit of thread sealant in there, and then you attach your pipe work. That's basically it. I'll put ours through the wall. Right, so quality. Excellent quality. Really good. No marks or blemishes in the chrome that you sometimes find. Easy to put into use on, yeah, very easy. Just work out where you want it. If you look at the pictures and that, it's 1, 2 ladders down, and from the top and bottom, it's quite secure. It's, you know, it doesn't have to throw some heat out. Yeah, I mean,
did you get the towel included? The towel that was on it, did you get that included or not? Or was that an optional extra you can buy?
Well, you can do, yeah. I'm sure Screwfix will throw you a towel if you buy enough of them. But no, the towel didn't come included.
Okay, I just thought that was important to mention.
But I've seen some of these, and for perhaps the lady of the house, it's important how many towels you can get on here. So clearly you can't get too many in there, but you can get a couple in there quite comfortably, just folded.
You can put them on the top edge as well, can't you? You can just drape them over.
Yeah. So, yeah, real good. I'd just say really good quality. It's just easy to fit and it looks a business. I think they do them a little bit wide and a little bit tall. It depends what your needs are. We will buy another one for a toilet we're doing in this property as well. And they look smart. Like I say, because if you buy a flat one, it's difficult to get the towels behind. Just bear that in mind. So if you want ease of use, curved is the best way to go.
I think that's why it is curved, isn't it?
Yeah, but you can get flat ones and then not.
Yeah, we've had flat ones before, yeah.
Not as easy to get the towels on, but it looks nice curved in my opinion, but it's personal choice. So, yeah, I'd say it does what it does, no blemishes, came well packaged. It is as described, it was easy to fit. So
it's not too heavy if you're putting it in the car.
No.
Bringing it back, whatever.
Put it in boot your car. So again, I'd say 10 out of 10. Because you can't knock it. It does what it says and it is a reasonable price. It's on offer at the moment. I think it was 29 quid.
You can't knock that for 29
with a
quid.
Free towel. So you can't moan at that. That wasn't with a free towel, but yeah. Anyway, I hope that helps you if you're looking at buying the Blyss Curved Towel Radiator for your bathroom or toilet. Thank you.
Right, thank you very much for watching.